Unravel the Path, Mastering English Directions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an essential part of conversational English: understanding and using common phrases with straight, forward, and backward. Whether you're asking for directions or guiding someone, these words will frequently pop up, so let's get comfortable with them. Before we start using these words and phrases, let's ensure we have a clear understanding of straight, forward, and backward. Straight generally refers to moving in the same direction without turning left or right. Imagine you're walking down a path and you don't make any turns. That's going straight. Forward is similar to straight but often implies progress or moving towards something. For instance, if you're on a journey and you continue to move towards your destination, you're moving forward. Backward is the opposite of forward. It means moving in a direction that is behind you. Imagine walking in reverse. That's moving backward. Now that we've understood these words, let's look at some common phrases where they're used. 1. Go straight on. This phrase is commonly used in giving directions. It means to continue on the same path without making any turns. Example: to reach the supermarket, you just have to go straight on for about 2 blocks. 2. Straight ahead. Similar to go straight on, straight ahead implies moving in the current direction without turning. Example: the library? It's straight ahead. You can't miss it. 3. Move forward with. This phrase usually implies progress in some activity or process. It's less about physical movement and more about advancing in a metaphorical sense. Example: we've decided to move forward with the new marketing plan. 4. Looking forward to. This is an anticipation or expectation of a future event. It has nothing to do with directions, but it's a commonly used phrase. Example: I'm looking forward to the weekend. 5. Step backward. Like, move forward with. This phrase is often used metaphorically to suggest a regression or going back in a process. Example: not finalizing the deal could be a step backward for our company. And that's a wrap on our lesson today. You've learned the meanings of straight, forward, and backward and how to use them in common phrases. These directional terms are crucial in daily conversation, so keep practicing them. Remember, language learning is a journey. Sometimes straight, sometimes forward, and occasionally, a little backward. But don't worry, each step brings us closer to mastery. Thanks for joining, and we look forward to guiding you in your next English learning adventure.